Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to shop by categories in the Trendyol app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions. From here we just go into categories, and then we can select what we want to buy. Is it clothing for men, kids, home, shoes and accessories, or whatever. Then we can select t-shirts and polos, for example, and then here we have some suggestions, but we can also sort these clothing items. We can sort by brand as well, by size, by coupon deals, and by price, and that's how you can narrow down the category that you are searching for. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.